Hi, Jeff Albertini, one of the product managers at RIDGID Tools, focused on our FlexShaft line, and I'm going to take you through a demonstration of our K9-306 and showcase some of the chain knockers that we've brought to the market. So first off, we have our regular chains. As you can see here, there's this very smooth chain style here. These are designed for really smooth-walled pipes, softer walls, cleaning simulated or actual grease lines, soft blockages, and they expand to the wall of the pipe. So we also have the carbide chains. If you can see the carbide links here, these are really good for attacking, cutting through roots, chipping away at hardened scale. And again, when the chains are spinning, the cable is rotating these chains at high speeds, so you're able to access very small drain lines and then clean all the way to the wall of the pipe. So the last chain knocker that we just brought to market at the Wet Show in 2020 is our penetrating chain knocker. So we have the benefit of the carbide heads, but what we've added is a penetrating head. When you have a full line of either a grease or roots, this gives you a leading head that's going to actually cut through that blockage, allow you to get downstream, and then clean all the way back while it's expanded inside of the pipe. So what I'll take you through now is just the K9-306, the machine as a whole here. So we've got a dedicated cart frame on the machine. This gives you a very versatile way to move the machine around. You can either dolly it on 2 wheels, the bottom here, or use all 4 wheels in a cart style, so you can transport it different ways. We have a front loading handle that allows you to easily load this into your work vehicle. We have a drain plug on the back of the machine, and we also have cord wraps dedicated for where your foot bulb and your GFCI can wrap onto. So now I'll take you through an actual demonstration, and what we're going to do is clean out our simulated grease line here, and we're going to have a 6-inch chain knocker come through with carbide that's going to eat through all of this. So you start with this, and the end result, we're going to have it back to its initial state. So you want to have gloves and glasses anytime you're operating the machine. Have your foot bulb under your foot so you're able to easily get on and off. Got it in forward position here. I'm going to get it into the Y here. So that's the other nice thing with this machine, is you have the ability to run in forward and reverse. So if I'm in forward, I'm spinning clockwise, and I can actually navigate up this Y. If I'm in reverse, then I can actually have it steer left and go into the Y. So what some people are doing is taping their camera to it, and now you have a directional drain cleaner and camera that can go where you want inside a pipe. Since that cable's bi-directional, there's no other product in the market that can do that for you. So what we're going to do is push it downstream, and once you feel that you're at the blockage, because normally you won't have the benefit of seeing through a clear pipe, you can feel it with the cable hitting. What you want to do is, we call it kind of bumping the trigger to get the chains up off the ground and through the pipe, through the blockage, and get as far downstream as possible. So now I'm at the end of the line, and ideally at this point I'd have water flowing to keep all the chains spinning freely, and have all the water running to keep things flowing down the line. So now I'll be spinning at high speed and clean it through the blockage with a little motion back and forth to really scour those entire pipe walls. So here's a great time to use the reverse feature. I was spinning in forward the whole time, and now flipping to reverse, I'll make sure that I'm cleaning the entire circumference of the pipe. And clear. All right, and now with the camera in pipe, I'd be able to see that I've got all the pipe walls clean, and I'm done with the job and on to the next one.